2 years ago, I embarked on a journey into the world of YouTube, armed with nothing but my passion for content creation and a tool called TubeBuddy. The early days were filled with excitement, trepidation, and a healthy dose of skepticism towards this new tool. Yet, amidst the whirlwind of starting a new channel, the promise of TubeBuddy's potential gave me pause. Deciding to give it a shot, I found myself on the brink of an adventure. And so, with a leap of faith, I dove into the uncharted waters of YouTube with TubeBuddy as my guide. As I navigated through the world of content creation, TubeBuddy was always there, guiding, assisting, and optimizing. It felt like having a secret weapon in my arsenal. Its myriad features, all designed to amplify the visibility of my content, worked like magic. One such feature that stands out is the A/B testing of thumbnails. This allowed me to experiment with different thumbnail designs and ascertain which one attracted more clicks. It was a game changer. The numbers are testament to the magic of TubeBuddy. My views skyrocketed from a humble 100 to a staggering 2 lakh in a blink. It wasn't just about the numbers, it was about reaching more people, sharing my content with a wider audience, and growing my community. TubeBuddy was not just a tool, it was becoming an integral part of my YouTube journey, a path that was leading me to success. Fast forward to today, my channel has grown exponentially, all thanks to TubeBuddy. In just 2 short years, my views soared from a humble 100 to a staggering 200,000. This wasn't mere luck, it was the power of TubeBuddy. This tool has been instrumental in my success. It's like a secret weapon. It's given me the edge with SEO optimization, helping my videos rise to the top of search results. It's been my personal assistant for keyword research, pointing me towards trending topics and popular tags. And let's not forget the scheduling feature, which has been a lifesaver, allowing me to plan my content in advance and post at the prime time for my audience. But my absolute favorite feature, the A/B testing of thumbnails. It's like having a focus group at my fingertips, helping me select the most engaging image. TubeBuddy, a tool that started as a mere guide, has now become my best friend in this YouTube journey, a friend that has led me to success. Now, if you're standing where I was 2 years ago, wondering how to make your mark on YouTube, I have one word for you: TubeBuddy. This tool is a game changer. It catapulted my views from a mere 100 to over 200,000 in a blink. My personal favorite feature is the A/B testing for thumbnails. It's a secret weapon for grabbing attention. Give TubeBuddy a shot and let it be your guide, your assistant, your friend in your YouTube journey. You won't be disappointed.